There's something we all face, but not all of us conquer, like folding a fitted sheet. No, it's not the final boss in a video game. It's something sneakier. But before I reveal it, let's do a little exercise. First, grab a piece of paper and write down your name. Easy, right? Congrats, you've already accomplished step 1. Now, let's define your interests. Draw a few circles. Inside those circles, write down stuff you love. Music, filmmaking, competitive egg rolling, whatever gets you excited. Now take each of those interests and break them down further. Keep going, and going, and okay, maybe not that much. If your page now looks like a chaotic detective's investigation board, you're on the right track. This, my friends, is a mind map. Your personal creativity blueprint. It's how we connect seemingly random things to create ideas that feel fresh and original. The further apart the topics, the more interesting the fusion. Think Kung Fu and cooking. Boom, now we've got Kung Fu Panda. The further apart your interests, the more one-of-a-kind your ideas become. But here's the problem. As soon as you start mixing things up, doubt shows up like an uninvited guest at a party. You might think, wait,
Does this even make
am I just
sense?
copying
Will
someone
people
else?
think I have zero originality?
Should
Should I just quit and become a professional potato enthusiast instead?
And let me tell you, you will find other people with similar interests. There are billions of us. But here's the twist. No one has your exact combination of experiences, your weird obsessions, or your unique perspective. So instead of spiraling into self-doubt, lean into what makes you different. Experiment. Try ridiculous ideas. Keep mixing things up until something clicks, like you clicking the like button and subscribing. Now, before you spiral into creative crisis, take a breath. Seriously. Inhale, exhale. Maybe even stare dramatically out the window for effect. Reflection is key. Sometimes stepping away from your idea is the best thing you can do. Like going for a walk, taking a shower. Somehow all great ideas are born there. At the end of the day, creativity is just a big, weird experiment. Some ideas will be brilliant, some will be less than brilliant. But that's the whole point. Keep throwing things at the wall and see what sticks. Your unique perspective is what makes your work stand out, and the only way to truly fail is to not try at all. That's how you find your individual style. But hey, if all else fails, at least you've got an impressively chaotic mind map to show for it.